Hello there, I'm your friend, Teacher Sam. Today, I will guide you through the usage of 4 common English verbs: talk, speak, say, and tell. So buckle up and let's delve into the world of English language. First up is talk. This verb is often used when we're in a more relaxed or conversational situation, often among friends. It's a slightly more formal version of the word chat. For instance, you might say, "Sorry, who were you talking to before I interrupted?" Or, "I was talking with my mum the other day and we decided to invite you to our house." Moving on, we have speak. Interestingly, speak and talk can often be used interchangeably without changing the sentence's meaning or grammar. However, speak is typically employed in more formal situations or to emphasize that something is important. For example, "We need to speak about your attendance this term," or "John will be speaking at an international conference next month." It can also be used to describe verbal fluency or knowledge of languages, as in, he speaks 3 languages fluently: German, French, and Spanish. Next, we have tell. This verb is usually used when we say something to someone, especially when giving an order or instruction. The object comes immediately after the verb. For example, "I told my son to brush his teeth," or "The teacher told the class to do their homework." Sometimes say and tell can be used interchangeably when passing information from one person to another. Finally, we come to say. Unlike tell, when we use say, we do not use an object immediately after the verb. It's often used when we quote people directly or give instructions. For instance, "Amelia said she would be back soon," or "The weatherman said it would rain today." Say can also be used to express an opinion or thought, as in, "I say we should give each person 20 tickets each to sell." In conclusion, talk, speak, say, and tell are all verbs we use to express communication. Talk and speak are often interchangeable, though speak is more formal. Tell is often used for giving instructions, and say is used for quoting or expressing an opinion. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam, and remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, goodbye.